Hey everybody, how you doing? AmpRepairGuy.com here. Please like, share, and subscribe at the end. I'd appreciate it. So here we have an Ameritron al-82. Ham guy owns it. Fellow ham. So he had an open on the output and the coax flashed. Both connectors had an open. I replaced both. Coax actually flashed here and ended up blowing the center connector right off the board there. This is the newer style with that cube relay, with the 2 cube relays. Over here, someone had scraped it all up. The insulation was damaged over here from probably when it was manufactured. So I put a new ground tab in, soldered it, put the choke over on that side, the safety choke. These are my chimneys. I use them for all the testing all the amps that require chimneys, so the customer doesn't have to send their chimneys. So needed new tubes. One was really weak and the other one had a grid to filament short. The old air variable was completely shot. I've been arcing. Okay. So I put a new spark gap in. That was also shot. Checked everything else over. The one of the primary leads was damaged. The insulation was all cut up and you could see the center conductor. So I put 2 layers of heat shrink on here, and I cut the spade terminal off and I put new, like I said, 2 layers on here. And this spade terminal is supposed to be blue, as you can see. So I put some blue painter's tape on the outside of the heat shrink so he knows that that's the blue connection. I took a picture of all the connections also. But like I said, this is a newer one, so it has the different plate transformer. It doesn't have the Peter-all. So that's that. 1/6, I checked it 160 through 10 meters, and she's good to go. Oh, you know, another thing I like to do is I like to solder these 2 points, because if the screw were ever to loosen up, that'd be bad. You don't want that to happen. So it's just be like having an open. So these are also loose. When I ship it back, I will, these caps were still attached. The tubes were out, the caps were still attached and dangling, so all the pressure was on the plate blockers here. These screws were loose. So what I'll do is I'll take the plate, these are anode caps, dissipating caps, I'll take those off, pack them together and put them in with in the tube box, the outer tube box, because the tubes get double boxed. And I will disconnect this and I'll tape it up to the side so you don't have pressure on the doorknob caps during shipping. These are Penta Labs. Once again, awesome, no issues. Great tubes. Good people over there. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I've been so busy. My computer broke. I just got a new computer. So like I said, I don't have time to be making a video of every single amp I do. I work on so many, at least 5 or 6 a week, and I have a stockpile, and it's just me here, one set of hands. So that's about it. Have a great day. Take care.